Assalamu alaikum and good morning to you all. How are you? I hope you all are fine. My name is Rabia Zishan and I am here to teach you English through the online lectures. I hope that you will be studying at home and you will be attending your online classes as well. So let's move on towards our first topic. As you can see, the first topic is, I will read the statement for you. C-O-N-S, cons, O-N, on, A-N-T-S, consonants. As I told you that we used to teach vowels and consonants. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U and the letters other than vowels, और वो letters जो vowels नहीं होते हम उनको क्या कहते हैं? Consonants. What do we say? Consonants. Like B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y and Z. These are the consonants. और on this page आपने क्या करना है? M-A-K-E, make, T-W-O-2, make, two, W-O-R-D-S, words. Make two words, W-I-T-H, with, E-A-C-H, each, C-O-N-S, cons, O, conso, N-A-N-T-S, consonants. It means on this page यहाँ पर कुछ consonants मौजूद हैं and you have to make two words, two different words with one consonant. I am repeating, two different words with one consonant. So let's see which is the first consonant. B. B is the first consonant and you have to make two different words. आपने एक word को two times नहीं लिखना. You will make two words. Like you can say bat, back, bat, back. And you can also write black, blow. It's up to you. But here we are going to write bat, back. So what are the spellings of bat? B will come in the first three lines. B, A, T. Bat. B, A, T, bat. We have made first word with letter B, bat, and the next word is bag. B, A, G. Bat, bag. You have to learn their spellings also and you will read it in phonics. B, A, T, bat, B, A, T, bat, B, A, G, bag, B, A, G, bag. So we have made two words with the first consonant. What is the second consonant? F. And what is the sound of F? F. What is the sound of F? F. You will make two new words with F, like fan, fat, fan, fat. I am going to write fan over here. You can also write some other word. F, A, N, fan. F, A, N, fan. F, A, N, fan. Now the next word will be fat. Fat. F, F, A, T, fat. F, A, T, fat. I am going to repeat these words which we have made with consonant F. F, A, N, fan. F, A, N, fan. Again the next word is F, A, T, fat. F, A, T, fat. So the next consonant is H. The next consonant is H. And what is the sound of H? H. We will make two new words with H. Hat, hen, hat, hen, hat. What are the spellings of hat? H will come in the first three lines. A. And how will you write a? Make a K and then a standing line. Ha, a, t. Hat. And what will be the next word? Hen. Hen. Ha. A. A. Whose sound is a? E. Ha. A. N. Hen. Ha. A. N. Hen. Again, we are going to revise the words which we have made with the consonant H. Her at hat, her at hat, her an hen. I am going to revise this full page. B at bat, b ag back, f an fan, f at fat, her at hat, her an hen. I hope that the words have been clear to you. Now we are moving towards some new words. Okay, we have written first word pan, pen. The next word will be pot. P o t pot. P o t pot. I am going to write pot over here. P o t pot. P o t pot. The next consonant is C. And what is the sound of C? K. K. You will make two words with consonant C, like cat, caught. Cat, caught. And what are the spellings of cat? K, a, t, cat. K. K, a, t, cat. And the next word will be k o t, caught. K o t, caught. K o t, caught. So the next consonant is T. 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 You can make two words with consonant T, like tap, tap and top. Tap. T. A. P. Tap. And the next word will be top. T. O. P. Top. Again, we have made two words with each consonant. I am going to repeat this for you. P, p an pen, p o t pot. The next consonant is k, k at cat, k o t caught. The next consonant is t, t apple tap, t op top. I hope that the concept of word building with the consonants has been clear to you and you have to learn these spellings also. Thank you so much.